Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel once again. I know it's been a long time that I have not posted any video yet. It's because of work and some other schedules. Today my video is how you can download your YouTube videos via SnapTube. It's an app where you can use on your Android phone or in your iOS phone. Now this app is free of cost, and once again this is only for educational purpose and no other purpose I'm making this video. So friends, let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. So friends, first you need to download the software from Google or Firefox, and the link I will put down in the description box below. Once you have downloaded the software and installed SnapTube, then you need to go to SnapTube. Once you are there, you need to open SnapTube. In the beginning it might ask you for update, or it might show an ad. You can easily skip that, and once this page opens out, what you need to do is you just need to go to the search bar and search for whatever you're searching, whether it's a song or it's a video or a movie. Whatever you're searching, you just put it there. For example, I just take this English song. Every time you go away, and once the song opens, you see it shows a lot of a long playlist, and I take the first one, and you see right now it shows a download button. Now when I touch the download button, it gives me two ways of downloading. One is it downloads, you can download it as an MP3 where you can just hear this song, or also you can download as a video version where you can hear and watch the song. Now at present I am going to download 720p HD because it works fine for mobile phones. Once you touch that, it says your downloading is already started. Then what you need to do is you need to go back to the main screen. Once you are in the main screen, you go to my files, and here you see your video has been already downloaded. Now it is already downloaded into your files in your file manager, and now you don't need to open YouTube anymore because you have downloaded it offline. So friends, this is how you can download anything on YouTube or Facebook or any other video apps that you cannot download from the app directly. You can download this via SnapTube. So friends, I hope this video was helpful to you. I kept in mind making this video especially for all the teachers that are doing online classes right now, so that it will be easy for them to download various different videos and post it to different other platforms when they are doing the online classes. So friends, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay safe and God bless.